kahirapan. Matagal mo nang gustong umangat, handa ka na pero napabayaan. Hindi mo kasalanan. Panahon na gumising, hawak mo ang susi sa mundo. Sumama para sa lahat ng biyahe. Kibo, harapin ang hamon ng pag-asa. Harapin ang hamon ng bagong simula. Pangarap mo'y kusa na lang matutupad. Ngayong handa ka nang lumipad. Ngayong handa ka nang lumipad. 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 Ngayong handa ka nang lumipad.
Personally, ako, si Gibo, nakilala ko only 2 years ago. Panahon nung gulo, nung ginera ko yung MILF, ginera ko at hinabol namin. And nakita ko, si Gibo nakita ko yung compassion niya. Maraming sekretary dyan. Sige, padala akong tao, tulong mo. Pero si Gibo, every time may problema, dumadating. Personally. Nagsasabi talaga na kailangan. And I saw in him, he stands by his people, parang mga tao na nagtatrabaho. Over the past 2 years, he's working very closely, more on a professional level. And I remember, after the second time I met him, I told him, "Sir, if you do run for higher office, let me know. Willing ako mag-resign trabaho just to help you." And siguro, by faith, sabi niya, "Mix, I will run for the presidency." Now, what does Gibo stand for? Number one, Gibo stands for excellence. Every field he enters, he always excels. And what he demands from every Filipino for all of us to excel. Kung marami sa atin magsiskwelahan, kaya na natin sarili, kumusta Mirado? Pasado man pa? Eh, di ba? Pasado. That is the attitude of mediocrity. Ngayon ang Pilipino, mahilig sa medya-medya. What Gilbert stands for is excellence. And he knows that the future of the Philippines depends on the brains of each and every student and Filipino. This country will not progress unless we develop the basic competencies, the basic need, especially to bring out and make every Filipino excel in every field. Among all of the presidential balls, sinisa-isa ko yan lahat. For me, it's only Gilbert who can lead this country forward and make us Filipinos at least the proudest race, maybe in Asia or even the Philippines. In a leader, it doesn't really matter what projects you give him. Mga project, kalsada, eskwelahan. It's about the leadership qualities na nakita ko sa person. Leadership qualities that make a person extraordinary. Na lahat tayo pwede magsabi, itong tao na to, idol ko yan. Now, when we look at the presidency, we look at leaders, we don't really want to depend on looking at ads, how many t-shirts are there out. Pero sinasabi ko, ang kandidato, pinapaglabanan yan. 3 months ago when we started, we were even barely 1% in the race.
Yes.
Now we're going up And sabi nga ni FBR sa akin 2 weeks ago, sabi niya, sige po, was where I was at in 1992. And we all worked hard, not only the politicians, but especially all of the volunteers, his networks, and made him a dark horse. Come election time, he won. And we all know what kind of president Ramos was. Naalala ba yung panahon ni Ramos?